Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster, keyless entry, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.